Hi everyone. Been asked to do a tutorial on tiny planets. So I'm out trying to find a tiny planet. See if I can find one. And yeah, hopefully I can find one. If not, I won't be able to do a tutorial. Okay, you got me. As you know, there is no thing as a tiny planet. We all know that. It's all part of the fun. What I'm actually doing is out trying to find a spot to get multiple photos so I can make a full 360 photo, really. And then go back to the work, back to the computer and do all the editing. That's what I'll be showing you. But for now, I'm out scouting around. Hopefully I can find a location. Here goes. Got an idea. Spot on my mind. Go there and have a look. So I found one spot. Ideally you want no wind. The way your 360 photo will work out. Get this off like an idiot. Anyway. Fingers crossed. Just wait for this lady to go away. I bought the little Mavic, it's small. I'll get that up. Hopefully get some photos. Enough to do the job. And then we'll go back to the office. As you can see, she's in the air. She's holding all right. A little bit windy, but we'll give it a go. So everything's set up. I'm using Lyre. That's what I use to get all my pano shots. I don't use DJI, but yeah, I believe you can. But I've never used DJI for it. Oh, she's fighting. All right. Let's get this over and done with. Well, that's done. I don't know if it will turn out, but we'll try. We'll go back to the studio, we'll get that done, get it sorted, get it on the computer. So we'll spin straight there. Still here. Works on YouTube channels. See them all the time. They spin. Let's try again. Not working. I guess I'm just going to have to ride that back to the studio. We'll try one more time. Let's see. Let's hope. Didn't work. Okay. Maybe I'm not holding the camera right. Maybe you got to have it in your wrist, you know. Let's try. I'll spin. I'll see you there. Whoa, it worked. Don't know whose house I'm at, but there's a computer. Let's get stuck into it. Hello, everybody. Here we are on the screen. Yeah, down the corner. Hey, hello, down here. Yeah, there, here I am. Right, okay. Now, let's get started. Let's go down to Photoshop. Turn that on. Now obviously you've edited your photos in Lightroom, you've done everything, you've stitched them together in whatever form you use, either Ice, Photoshop, Lightroom, whatever. Myself, I use PolarPro Pro. It's a nice little program, I like it. But anyway, let's get started. Let's load our photo, sorry. The one I tried to use didn't work, so I've got to use this one. Now, this is a nice photo. I like it. It's come up well. It's a nice little stretched out 360 photo that I've captured. Now, we do need a 360 photo, but then we have to change the size. So, I go to image, down to image size. Comes up with everything. So you notice it's in pixels. Sizes are different. I want to make the height the same as the width. So, let's do that. 786. Hit OK. Now this will take a little bit of time, give it process. It's got to go through its system, it's got to do everything. It's shrinking this thing. So I'll fast forward this and yeah, see you once it's done. done. Okay, now let's make that a little bit smaller. Control negative for you PC users, max, I'm not too sure what it is, sorry. Now there's my photo. She looks a little bit squashed and a little bit, well, out of, just, yeah, it doesn't look nice. But now we've got to turn it upside down, so go image again, down to rotation, 180 degrees, that will flip it upside down. Now is the fun part and the easy part. We go to filter, down to distort, and then we come across and down to polar coordinates. Now what this will do is turn it into a tiny planet. Now once this is loaded, make sure you've got rectangular to polar and at 100%, then just hit OK and let it do its thing. Depending on how quick your computer is, depends how quick it will do it and what else you've got going. Because I'm recording, it's a little bit slower. But never mind, it's going to be done shortly. And you'll all be going, whoa! Okay, here it comes along, it's getting nearly done as you can see, just about finished. And bang, there we go. There's a tiny little planet. Myself, I'll probably crop that a little bit and spin it around, so I just go up to crop, spin it around so that building on the horizon's right at the top, at the center. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. Hit tick so that it will do its thing, it will process it, crop it. It's still doing a lot of stuff in the background that we don't see, so you've got to give it time. There we go, and let's enlarge that a little bit. Control plus. There we go, one happy little tiny planet with an island, with water in the middle. But anyway, any questions, anything, just ask. It's pretty simple really. Just make your photo the same size, square, flip it upside down, go to filters, distort, polar, bang, done. Alright, catch ya!